أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والشمس وضحاها والقمر إذا تلاها والنهار إذا جلاها والليل إذا يغشاها والسماء وما بناها والأرض وما طحاها ونفس وما سواها فألهمها فجورها وتقواها قد أفلح من زكاها وقد خاب من دساها كذبت ثمود بطغواها إذ انبعث أشقاها فقال لهم رسول الله ناقة الله وسقياها فكذبوه فعقروها فدمدم عليهم ربهم بذنبهم فسواها ولا يخاف عقباها.
By the sun and its brightness, and by the moon when it follows it, and by the day when it displays it, by the night as it conceals it, and by the sky and he who constructed it, by the earth and him who spread it, and by the soul and he who proportioned it and its enlightenment as to its wrong and its right. He has succeeded who purifies it, and he fails that corrupts it. Samud denied their prophet by reason of their transgression when the most wretched of them was sent forth. But the messenger of Allah said to them, "It is a she-camel of Allah," and bar her not from having her drink. But they denied him and hamstrung her. So their Lord brought down upon them destruction for their sin and made it equal upon all of them, and he does not fear the consequence thereof.
أفلا يتدبرون القرآن أم على قلوب أقفالها.
Then do they not reflect upon the Quran, or are there locks upon their hearts?